Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are in best of your health. Today we are going to learn a very important topic, and that is the alignment in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. There are basically three types of alignment that we can do in Adobe Illustrator, and those are align with respect to artboard, align with respect to selection, and align with respect to key object. We will start with the first one, that is alignment with respect to artboard. So this is a cute circle which is waiting for the alignment. So what we are going to do is I'm going to open the alignment tab by going into the windows and selecting the align, and by going into the show options I can see some more options. And one more thing which I forgot to tell you, from here we can select this one. So I'm going to select align to artboard. So I have selected the align to artboard, and I have again forgot to click it and record it. So you are going to select the artboard, okay? And now we are going to align it with respect to our artboard. Now let's suppose I want it in the center. So either we can do it manually, but if we don't have any lines, then what we can do is we can do it using this alignment tab by clicking this and this, and you see it's perfectly centered. And in the same way I can shift it to the extreme left, center, right, or if I want it at the top, so I can select this one, middle, and the bottom. I can also align multiple objects with respect to artboard, and for that I'm going to make it copies and simply select them and align them. And I can also have one more option for multiple objects, and that is uniformly distribute them. So I'm going to uniformly distribute them in my artboard. You see, it's looking quite beautiful and perfectly aligned as well. Now we will see alignment with respect to selection. For alignment with respect to selection, I must have multiple objects. Now let's suppose I want to align them like this in the straight line. I'm going to select them all, and I'm going to go ahead align to selection in this case, and I'm going to choose this one, you see. And in the same way we can have so many combinations. And one more very useful thing here is, now let's see I want them to be aligned and uniformly distributed, that is equal distance between them, and I'm going to select them all, and I'm going to choose this from here. And now comes the last one, alignment with respect to key object. Now let's suppose on the right side I want the lower two circles to move towards the upper circle, so I'm going to use this as key object and simply do this. And in this one I want to first of all I have to select them all, and I want the upper two circles to move below. So now like this, you see, this is how we can align with respect to key object. So that's all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you do, then do subscribe our channel as well, and stay happy, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.